Hi, this is Ans. You're watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add comments in Python language. As in every language, we need it for our information, for our advantage. We want to do some lines for our information that will not include our output for any program. So here in this code, we also adding our comment, and we're gonna learn that this comment will not be shown on the public in the output. So here you can see we are using hash. You have to use hash for adding your comments in Python. So you can write here anything after the hash for your information, as is already written here. We are learning Python. You can write also about for my info. Again, you can use your hashtag. Again, you can use your hashtag. So these comments will never shown in the output. So you have to use hash for your comments. After hash, you can write anything according to your program. So what shown in the output, this is hello world. So print, we are printing hello world. So this actually will be in the output. So let's run this code. I am running this code. Run current script. So here you can see our output that there is no comment, there is no information what we have written there. So here is just one thing, hello world. So okay, so this is how you can add comments in your Python language. So gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.